Namaste. खुश रहो बेटिया. I, Jeevin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic Regulatory Guidelines of Australia. Regulatory Guidelines of Australia topic belongs to the Pharmaceutical Regulatory Affairs for the B Pharm 8th semester. This topic is very important for the regulatory bodies, and some contents included in this topic: what is TGA and its role, objective and TGA structure, etc. Now we come to the first point: what is TGA? The Therapeutic Good Administration, TGA, is a unit of Australian Government Department of Health and Aging. It is responsible for administering the Act, which came into effect on 15th February 1991. Responsibility for the regulatory controls lies with the Therapeutic Good Administration as the national regulatory authorities for therapeutic goods. Now we come to the objective of Therapeutic Good Administration: to provide a national framework for the regulation of therapeutic goods in Australia, to ensure the quality, safety and efficacy of medicine and ensure the quality, safety and performance of medical devices. Essentially, therapeutic good must be entered on the Australian Register of Therapeutic Goods before they can be supplied in Australia. Now we come to the role of Therapeutic Good Administration. The TGA carries out an overall control through 5 main processes. First one is pre-market evaluation and approval of registered product intended for supply in Australia. Development, maintenance and monitoring of the system for listing of medicines. Licensing of manufacturers in accordance with international standard of good manufacturing practices. Post-market monitoring through sampling, adverse event reporting, surveillance activities, and response to public inquiries. The assessment of medicine for export. Now we come to the structure of the TGA. Structure of the TGA. TGA National Manager is divided into 2 parts: Principal Medical Advisor and Principal Legal Advisor. So further divided into 3 parts: First Assistant Secretary and First Assistant Secretary to belongs to Regulatory Support Division. This is the important structure for the TGA. Now we come to the regulation of clinical trial by TGA. Clinical trials of medicines and medical devices conducted in Australia are subject to Commonwealth government regulation and administered by Therapeutic Good Administration. There are 2 schemes to conduct clinical trial. Clinical trial exemption scheme. Trial sponsor notifies the TGA of their intention to conduct a clinical trial using an unapproved therapeutic goods. Now, next point is clinical trial notification scheme. The TGA does not review any data relating to the clinical trial. The clinical trial notification form is submitted by the investigator on the behalf of a sponsor to the HREC and the approving authority. Once the sponsor, the principal investigator, the chairman of HREC, and the person responsible from the approving authority have signed the clinical trial notification form, it is submitted by the sponsor of the trial to the TGA along with the appropriate notification fee. So next point is role of stakeholders in CTN and CTX. TGA role: process CTN submission and provide acknowledgement and submitted by sponsor or review or approval. Request IB and B documents for the review. So this is the role of stakeholders and difference between CTN and CTS scheme. CTN notification process and CTS approval process. So as per the TGA Act regulation, all type of goods are divided into the medicine and devices. Medicine are again divided into different categories. prescription medicine, non-prescription medicine, and export only medicine. So prescription medicine, non-prescription medicine, non-prescription medicine is further divided into different parts: OTC medicine, over-the-counter drug, and complementary medicine. So the export only medicine, example, commercial export of medicine donation and all other purpose, and export of human body fluids, and export of medical devices. So this is the complete session and complete protocol. This session powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. So thank you, and thank you for the listening.